2004 Toyota Tacoma extra cab, 78,000 miles. You will not find a cleaner one for sale. Two-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power windows and locks, sprayed in bed liner, sliding rear glass window, tow package. This truck is immaculate. No accidents, all original. It's the pre-runner SR5. Looks like a brand new truck. Not a door ding or a scratch on the vehicle. Timing belt water pump has been replaced. Full records. It's cloth interior, but they have we have car covers on it. Makes it look like leather. Underneath is perfect. Original floor mats, manuals, all the keys, cruise control, 78,582 miles. When I say clean, it is clean. 2004 Toyota Tacoma extended cab, 78,000 miles in pristine condition.